Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing resources and the place to acquire the Exilus Adapter. First, make sure you have the required Ducats and credits on hand. These are the usual currencies Barrow accepts. Next, go to the Relays tab and check Barrow Katir's visit window. He appears about every 2 weeks, so plan ahead. While you wait, collect tradable items to swap or stock up on mission keys. Once Barrow is present, you'll move immediately to purchase and claim the blueprint or adapter. Once Barrow is in the relay, inspect his inventory and prioritize the Exilus Adapter. If it's listed, buy it now before someone else claims limited stock. If Barrow doesn't have it, switch to farming. Run high-level missions and sorties that reward rare items, because adapters can drop from specific high-tier content. Alternatively, use trading. List excess prime parts or mods in the market and offer a fair price. Make sure to set expectations and use a reputable trading channel so you get the adapter fast. After acquisition, if you have a blueprint, craft the adapter in the foundry, start the timer, or rush with credits if you need it immediately. Once ready, equip it from the arsenal. Go to the mod screen, add the Exilus adapter to create the extra polarity slot, and then fit your Exilus mod. If the adapter doesn't show up or the slot won't apply, relog and verify your inventory. Clear cache if needed. And as a last resort use player, trading to replace a missing adapter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.